Every decision you make, what to eat, where to go, whom to trust, comes from a silent conversation inside your brain. But how does the brain actually choose? Is it logic? Is it emotion? Or something else entirely? In this video, we'll explore how your brain makes decisions, step by step. And the truth might surprise you.
Your brain makes more than 35,000 decisions every single day. Most of them are small, like blinking, walking, scrolling on your phone, but some decisions can change your life. To make any decision, the brain follows 3 major steps. 1. Gather information. 2. Analyze the options. 3. Take action. And each step activates a different part of your brain.
Imagine your brain as a giant data center. Before making a decision, it collects information from your senses. Eyes, what you see. Ears, what you hear. Skin, what you feel. Memory, what happened before. Emotions, how you feel right now. This information goes to the sensory cortex and the hippocampus, where your brain tries to understand what's happening. Next comes the most important part, thinking. This happens in the prefrontal cortex, often called the CEO of the brain. Here, the brain asks questions. Which option is safe? Which option feels good? Which gives the best result? What happened the last time I tried this? It's like a meeting inside your head. Your logic, your experience, and your emotions all sit at the table.
Here's the truth. Your decisions are not always logical. 2 powerful systems influence you every second. 1. Emotional brain, the amygdala. Fast, reactive, emotional. It helps you survive danger, but can make quick, impulsive decisions. 2. Logical brain, the prefrontal cortex. Slow, calm, thoughtful. It takes time, but makes better decisions. Most people think they use logic, but studies show 80% of decisions come from emotion first, and logic comes later to justify them.
Once the brain chooses an option, it sends a command to the body. This command is delivered through the motor cortex. The result can be moving your hand, turning your head, saying yes, walking away, or even staying silent. A decision is not complete until your body reacts. Let's take a simple example. You're walking and a dog appears. Sensory system. There's a dog. Amygdala. Be careful. Memory. Have I seen such a dog before? Logic. The dog looks calm. Final action. You walk past slowly. This entire cycle happens in less than 1 second. So the next time you make a choice, big or small, remember this. Your brain is constantly collecting, comparing, and balancing logic with emotion. Every decision is a story happening inside your mind, and understanding how it works helps you make better choices.